In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Proton VPN. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Proton VPN website. Click Sign In, then select Create an account. Next, choose your plan. You can go with a paid plan or select the free option if you just want basic access. Now enter your email address. Then click Start using Proton. After that, you can either use the password provided or create your own secure password. Then confirm it. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup, and once finished, you'll be logged into your account automatically. From there, you can download the Proton VPN app on your device, sign in, and connect to a server to start using the VPN. That's it. Your Proton VPN account is now fully set up and ready to use. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.